Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out this queen size mattress, and Bed Story did send this to us for us to check out. Now, what you're going to get is 10 inches of springs in here, and then you get 4 inches of the foam. So that makes it super soft. Everything's going to be taken care of as in regards to like when you're moving around, the person next to you is not going to feel it a whole bunch. You're going to feel great. So overall, we've been very, very pleased with it. Whenever you first get it, it is going to be all wrapped up. Super easy. You just cut that plastic off. It'll unwrap. It takes about 3 days for it to fully expand. So whenever you first get it, don't, think, oh man, this thing isn't 14 inches, because it will fully expand. All the wrinkles and everything are gone on here. This is actually my daughter's bed, and we upgraded from an older bed that she had, and she has absolutely loved it. My granddaughter has slept a lot better on it as well. I've laid down on it a few times, and it's just super, super comfy. As you can see down here, really thick, really, really soft material. This bounces right back. No issues with that. And then whenever you're here in the middle, you don't see that bouncing, moving at all. So overall, great little product right here from Bed Story. Again, this is the queen size mattress. They do have different sizes as well as different thicknesses available as well. So if you're in need of a fantastic bed that's super easy to set up, you don't have to worry about hauling it around, going through corners, stuff like that, because like I said, this thing's just nice, neatly wrapped up. You just lay it down on your bed frame, it unfolds, and then you're good to go. So go ahead and check this one out from Bed Story.